online student, you may need to find books in libraries that are near you. WorldCat is the best place for you to go to quickly see which libraries near you have materials on a topic that you are researching. The easiest way to access WorldCat is to do a Google search for WorldCat. Select worldcat.org. Here, you can either search for everything on your topic or limit your results to just books. I am going to do a sample search for climate change and environment under the Everything tab. So I have a lot of results. I'm going to change my format to only print books. Very rarely can you access ebooks for a library that you are not a member, so I usually exclude those when limiting my search. You can also limit your results by language, year of publication, and many other options under the Refine Your Results section. I'm going to click on the record for climate change and biodiversity. It should automatically populate your location, but if it doesn't, you can enter your zip code to find out what libraries near you have this book. So, if you lived in Austin, Texas, you would have quite a few options for reading this book. If you aren't a member of any of these libraries, I would recommend that you call and find out what their policies are for letting outside researchers view their materials. Many libraries will allow outside researchers to view their collections, and sometimes you can even check them out. If you really like this book and would like to see other similar results, I would use the subject headings to find similar books. I'm going to click on Biodiversity, Climatic Factors, and see how my results change. I only have 848 results, which is much more manageable than the almost 20,000 that we had before. If you have any questions about finding or accessing books, please contact the library.